In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your Twitter account private. Now, with a private Twitter account, only people that follow you will be able to see all your tweets. Also, you are going to have to approve those people you want to follow you. So not everyone can just start following you. Alright, so first of all, you need to open up the Twitter app and then tap on your profile picture up here. And then you tap on settings and privacy. Next, you tap on privacy and safety. And under audience and tagging, tap on it and make sure this is enabled. So as you can see, this says only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. That means people that are not following you will not be able to see your tweets. So another thing you can do is make sure this is turned off. Also, you go back and then you tap on direct messages and make sure this is disabled. So it should be this way. This means that people who do not follow you will not be able to send you messages. So yeah, after this, then your Twitter account should be very private. Alright, thank you guys for watching. If you found the video helpful, please give me a like, and if you have questions, you can leave them in the comments. I hope you guys subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.